we are at a motorbike track in Cessnock. It's funny because even when you put it into the maps, I'm like looking at like motorcycle track, you know, like just motorbikes, not something that I would generally say these years, but it's what they say here, so it's kind of funny. Anyway, I grew up racing a lot here as a child, even into my early, you know, 16, 17, 18-year-old self. Same as the last track we went to, just, you know, like a lot of memories. The place is, it's a lot different than when I raced here, but I feel like always like the foundation is the same. So it's like a lot of things changed, but yet nothing's changed. And I actually think that that's really cool because it stayed, you know, it holds on to its core self. So anyway, we're excited to, well, I'm excited. They're excited to ride, but I'm excited to, you know, just sit here. And it's funny because recently I've seen a couple of pictures, whether it be my mom or some friends have passed on, and it was me on 80cc, and it was always, for whatever reason, riding at this track. So I've shared those with the kids, and it's funny that, you know, now they're, which turn was it? You know, can I go faster than you through that turn? Of course you can't. Of course you can't. Anyway, so yeah, we'll do some riding and check it out. See the water truck in the middle? Yeah. Dad's gonna go and tow it off.
Don't break the tire. Your dad?
What?
Oh,
no.
Yeah.
Your dad. So just ride, and then when you get to there, slow right down, go around us.
Okay.
And then just check out the track. So, alright.
So you want me to hit the jump?
Do not. No.
Oh my god. Dad, I don't even think I can hit that jump.
Oh, you can hit that jump.
I can hit it.
Not even that hard. Come on, bro, you got it. Believe in yourself, bro. I'm gonna go take a pee.
I haven't.
Full send.
You're so soft.
First lap. Yeah, great. What are you thinking, Joel?
First lap, send it.
Just don't hit the track.
Alright.
Yeah, be aware.
Where it looks, they like to park machinery
And I don't
in
know
the middle
where-
of the track in Australia.
It seems like a common,
It's one other obstacle
common theme.
to think about. It's just
anyway,
to make sure you're ready for anything.
Feel it out, because I don't know what the track's like or conditions are like, so just feel it. Feel it out, alright?
Got it.
Tater,
We hit the hole.
when I say feel it out, it means that just be aware of where the track goes, understand that. But we're not here to take an hour to do the jumps, like the tabletops jumps that you can see. Like if you feel confident, then dude, act on that, do it.
Dad,
Okay.
Don't make me have to come and tell you that you can do it.
Okay.
Which way is the track going? Put the Ford Ranger to use. Pull the water truck out. I guess the water truck blew a clutch, so she's stuck on the middle of the track. You want me to reverse up? Yeah.
And then I should be able to roll.
Yeah, down to the shed then.
What do you think about the track?
It's so fun.
Yeah?
Just like that. I'm only bad on one corner. I know how to use the clutch now.
Getting there?
You saw me like, bro.
Sometimes you have to downshift.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
My bike's like not downshifting.
That's something you'd have to talk to your dad about.
I don't want to go down the stairs anymore.
Okay. Did that scare you?
Yes. Bro, it's a big drop. It's so sketchy.
It's hard packed and it's soft, and so that's why you need to get used to using your clutch.
I know, I'm using it to like not bog.
Alright, well sometimes when it bogs like that you gotta get down in gear, okay? All good, those are all
No, but
things.
then it revs out.
Yep. Another thing we need to figure it out. You need to keep it perfect. You're doing good.
Dude, honestly, the raindrops feels good.
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
How'd you go, sis? You're running well?
Thanks.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think about the track?
It's good.
Yeah?
My favorite part is where the sand is in that corner, where you can just pin it, and then you go over the double where the truck was in the middle.
Yeah.
I like that part. Before
It's either really soft or pretty hard. And the rollers, it's in the worst place.
Yeah.
It's hard and slippery, and it's like
Oh, no.
It's so weird, and it has like little rain ruts.
65 kid just
It's
did that
so
jump.
scary.
Has the track changed a lot since you've raced?
Yeah, like, yes, to answer the question, yes, it's a lot different, but there's a lot of parts that are still the same. But I would say like the core of the track up and down is remained, remained to its true form. So it's cool. Like the start, it's interesting. The start's a little bit changed since I was here. Looks like they have a lot more gates. Yeah, 48. So I don't remember it being a 48 lineup, but maybe I just didn't pay attention. But yeah, no, it's cool. A lot of. It's funny because the track we went to, one of the other local tracks at Lakes, it's really fast, like fast up, fast down. Where I'd probably say that that's the only thing changed is like this track in Lakes, they just simplified it, right? It's just up the hill, down the hill, up the hill, down the hill. Where I feel like we had a lot of up, down, off cambered, and like turning on what I would call on the hill, where now they've for so many different reasons it's just easier to make it go up and down, prepping it, watering it, the average rider being a local race rider, so then it's easier there. So yeah, it's funny. I understand all the things, but just noticing the little things that are different from when I was a kid.
When you told me to go take that inside, I'm like, why? It's so bad.
Dude, if you actually go through it one time, like, you know how to ride a dirt bike, not like the first time you're in motorcycle, and then you just went brrr and you cut a line in. Like, if we come and race on the weekend, that's going to be a massive, like, inside rut. Like, it'll be perfect. Like, I bet you that line builds up into like a sand thing.
Well, I am not forming it. They can do all the hard work. I'm going to ride it.
After watching your effort to do it, I don't know that you're physically capable of forming it.
That's what I said. They're going to form it. I'm going to ride it. Also, I created the outside. I was the first one on the track to
created the outside.
The outside's perfect.
Oh, yeah.
And I stand up through it.
Stand up?
Yeah, you see my stand
How's your
up?
bike handle?
Good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Did you stand up through that corner right there?
Yeah. Stand up, stand
You did
up.
not make that. No, the first lap I was there.
Yeah.
You did not make that
Oh,
tape.
no, didn't make it. I think Pace was first one through it. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we fuel up and go again?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Let's go.
Think you would beat your dad?
I wonder what corner it was that...
It was that one over there.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, but it used to be different. Like, see how you come at it like that angle? You actually used to come at it from coming
I that corn up there.
You used to come down.
Dad?
You used to come down the hill, and it used to be a big berm, and then there used to be a big tabletop right here, which kind of a shame that they've taken that big tabletop away. It was kind of. I feel like that was the history. It was a cool jump. I have some video. Remember we watched that one on YouTube, I think it was?
Oh, yeah.
That was this track.
It was?
Yeah. You used to go along here, and then it used to turn, and it used to have a double, and then it would do like an S-bend, and then into that tabletop.
We'll have to put that in the video.
Yeah, we'll have to dig it up.
Yeah.
It was me on a... I think I was on a... I don't know if I was on a 60 or an 80.